Alright, good day guys, and welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Right, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the BitKeep wallet. Right, so the BitKeep wallet is a multi-chain decentralized wallet, right? And it's available on the Apple Store and it's also available on the Google Play Store. Right, so let's get into it. So first off, we open BitKeep, skip, and now if you already have a wallet, you can choose to import a wallet, but since this is a beginner's video, I'm going to choose a new wallet. I'm going to be putting in a digit that I'll remember, like 6 digits that I'm going to remember. Make sure you remember this, because I would advise you use your phone's password if you use a numeric password, right, so that it will be easier for you to remember. Right, so I'll just go 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is for tutorial purposes. So it's importing mainnet data, and one thing about it is that you don't necessarily need to save your 12 seed phrase before using the wallet, right? So now, since I've already set up my numeric password, the wallet is open for me to use. Now the next thing that you need to do is you just need to back up, right? This is the second this is the most important thing that you need to do. You back up your wallet, right? So now you can choose a mnemonic key, you can transcribe the mnemonics, or you can store it in a safe place, right? So we are going to use our code, and now you can allow it, and then now you can see the seed phrase, and then you can choose to back it up, right? So after backing it up, they are going to ask you to input the phrases in their correct order, right? So once you do that, you've backed up your wallet, right? So now this BitKeep wallet is very, very interesting because you can toggle between different mainnets, right? So if you head over to all mainnets, you can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB Chain, Arbitrum, OKC Chain, Tron, and ZK Sync era. This ZK Sync era is a new mainnet, that I think they have an airdrop coming up very soon, right? So if you go over to BNB Chain, you can see everything on BNB Chain, right? Your wallet is going to be toned down to the BNB mainnet, right? So if you head over here, this is scan. This is for when you want to scan a person's QR code or another wallet's QR code. This is receive. This is where you get your wallet address. You can copy it right here. This is where you choose to send, and this is where you can buy directly using a card or whatever you want to, maybe a card, or you want to buy from a broker or whatever, right? This is a direct buy, right? So these are your tokens. Then if you head over to here, these are your NFTs. And then these are your tools, right? A blockchain explorer, a contract detection, security detection, BNB gas, batch transfer, BitKeep Futures, and red packet, right? So these are tools that can be very, very useful. And I think in another video we'll really dive down into how to use these tools, right? So if you head over to the swap section, this is the built-in swap, right? Let me try again. All right, this is the built-in swap, right? Here you can move from USDT. This is on the Ethereum net, right? This is from the Ethereum mainnet to the from USDT Ethereum to Ethereum, the main Ethereum, right? The legacy Ethereum. Now you can also move from the Binance Smart Chain. You can change it from BNB to Ethereum, right? You can run cross-chain swaps here, right? So now you can also set a limit order, and you can also head over to their quotes and see what is trending, right? You can see what is trending, and here you can see derivatives, trending derivatives. Right here you can buy all the current trending derivative is 2.0, right? So now there's a lot of information on this app. You can head over to top gainers, and see what's happening in the market, the people that have been gaining more volume and more in market cap, right? You can see top losers, 24 hours volume. You can see trending meme tokens. You can see trending tokens on Arbitrum, ZK Sync, on AI, Hong Kong, GameFi, and DEXs, right? You can also head over to their launchpad, and whenever they have a new offering, you can join in, right? Primal here, they've raised, okay, their target raising is $575,000, right? So they give you access to launchpads, and where those launchpads will be happening, right? Like Muon Network is happening on DAO Maker. Primal is also happening on DAO Maker. There's a lot of information that you can actually get on BitKeep, right? So like I said in another video, we might have to section these different parts of BitKeep and really dive into them. Right, so we head over to NFTs. Now here you can see the trending NFTs, the ones that have huge volume, and you can also see top recommendations. And also here you can head over to do a free mint. You can select your favorites, you can sell an NFT, and you can also place orders. Right now, here you can head over to categories. There are Zuki, Abstract Minimal, GameFi, Neochibi, Planet 9, and the rest, right? And here also you can see hot items that are on for sale, right? So if you're interested in any of these, you can come here and make a choice and choose an NFT to trade. Now you can also head over to rankings and see the top NFTs that are in the market today. Right now you can see this is what 10.2k Polygon, this is what 257 Ethereum, and so on and so forth. Right, you can also head over to the mint section and see the latest mints that are happening. Right, all these ones are sold out. These mints are sold out, and I think most of them are free mints. Right, most of them should be free mints, or maybe they are very low, like this one with 0.015 Ethereum as the mint. Right, so it also has a DApp section. If you head over to the DApp section, this is where you access your PancakeSwap. You just search for the URL here. You search for the URL here, and you can also come here, and if it is a very popular URL, you'll be able to get it here. Right, so you can also visit other DApps like Galaxy. Galaxy has been gaining a lot of traction for testnets and the rest, and you can see a lot of DApps that you can get access to. Right, and also you can also get access to staking rewards. Right, you can get access to staking pools. Now you can see that if you stake Ethereum, if you stake Matic, if you stake all these things, these are the respective APY. Right, you can also head over to history and see whatever the app that you visited recently. Right, so we head over to new. These are new protocols, right? And I think these are new people that are trying to break out as decentralized applications, as proper decentralized applications. Right, you can also tone it down to whatever chain you want. It goes up from Bitcoin down to even the near protocol and the Celo blockchain, even down to core. And man, there are so many chains here that you can actually choose from. Same goes for airdrop. You can see airdrops that are going on all mainnets. Right, head over to DeFi. Here you can get access to all DeFi protocols, right? NFT tools and NFT marketplaces, or NFT DApps. And then you can also get access to bridges. Like if you want to bridge from one blockchain to another, you can come here and get access to the decentralized application. You can also head over to exchange decentralized applications like Uniswap, PancakeSwap. Here just makes it very easy for you to get access to what you want. Like let's say you want to run a decentralized swap on core. Maybe you don't know how to do it. You can just come here and search for core. Or maybe you want to run it on Matic, you want to run it on Celo. Right, you can actually come here and look for a decentralized application or a decentralized swap to to run your swap. Right, you can also come here. They have tools, they have GameFi, they have social apps, they have loaning apps. These are apps where you can actually loan. Right, you can actually loan tokens and pay back later. Right, like Ave, Compound, Venus, Justland, and the rest. Right, so we head over to their Discover, and here is where you can get access to red packets, airdrops. You can buy directly and you can choose to invite people. Right, here you can check your messages. You can also choose to back up your mnemonics from here. You get your address book here. You can create a cloud wallet here. A cloud wallet is a wallet that only runs with an internet connection. Right, and you can also set it up on different places. Right, you can set it up on your laptop, you can set it up on your phone, you can set it up in different places. Right, so here is where you get access to your security and your privacy in case you want to make any perks. Now here is where you get access to BitKeep Futures, BRC 20 NFT assets, Gasu. Gasu is the it's kind of like the governance token for BitKeep, right? One Gasu is worth I think $1. Right, so you can head over to the academy, to their help center. You can join their affiliates, you can join their communities, and you can also apply for jobs. Right, here is where you toggle from dark mode to light mode. right? So that's just it. So BitGet is a very, very exciting wallet. It's a very, very exciting wallet. I've used over 10 minutes to explain the different features in BitGet wallet, and I hope in another video I'll be able to dive into different sections of the BitGet wallet, and how we can earn and see how we can benefit and also try to earn some tokens, even airdrops, or get job opportunities from BitGet. Right, so guys, I hope you guys have fun watching this video. See you in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions at all, drop them in the comment section and we'll be there to answer your questions. So like I said, hope you guys had fun watching this video. Hope you guys have fun trying it out. See you in the next video.